Welcome to Squadding Quads Airlines, where we are flying this brand new craft out of the hangar this morning. She's got the same internals as the last walk snail beater, as it's the same machine but with a new frame, a super special Gap RC Mark V that cost about 15 quid, as it's a fake. I say fake, it's more. Just, nah, it's a fake. It's a dead cat. I like murdered pussy, not gonna lie. This morning, the winds were as high as Snoop Dogg on a weekend away with the boys. Fearless drone pilots. Today's mission, conquering the skies even when Mother Nature decides to throw a little wind party. Get ready for Windy Ventures Drone Edition, let's fucking go! Welcome to the Windy Wonderland, where the winds are wilder than your aunt's salsa moves at family reunions. We've got gusts so strong, even Mary Poppins would be rethinking her umbrella choices, and as for Doris, well, she had to change her skirt. Our brave drone is facing winds that make hurricanes blush. It's like trying to fly a kite in a tornado, challenging but oh so exhilarating. All this talk of wind aside, the quad is bloody incredible. It's light, stiff, and seems like it'll take a smack into a tree. We won't have long to wait, I'm sure. And what's not like about murdered pussies? Sorry, I mean dead cats. The frames, of course, not actual cats, that are dead, unless you are from a certain culture, that is. Just when you thought the wind had won, our resilient drone says, not today, Zephyr. It's like the Rocky Balboa of the drone world, punching through the wind with determination, so we shouldn't buy fakes, but if you do, then this Gap RC Mark V one is something to consider. I can leave a non-affiliate link if you want. Over to Quads for today's shoutouts.
Thanks, G. Let's fucking go. Today's shoutouts are... Wait. We have a super shout-out Jedi FPV for leaving 2 super chats. He's the only person to get a card in this video, as he's the only one who keeps leaving super chats. He's a fucking awesome guy too, who can fly, film, and find me memes when my brain doesn't work well. So go and give him a follow quick before his channel explodes, and then you can claim to be an OG member. ChatGPT, add more nice things to say. Oh shit, I left that bit in. Okay, let's hit the regular. Shout-out list. Boywonder FPV for being the next generation of pilots and keeping me young. Chris Miller's FPV for having guns, please don't shoot. Barry Tiny Morgan FPV for his teeny tiny one. Caroline Tyler for totally abusing the CAA and their fucking rules. And watering trees. My Turkish friend Ada for sending me 7.9 billion messages daily. Flanny FPV for not giving a fuck about global warming and flying in a freezer. Rob's FPV for being an awesome supporter of the channel. Ryan Wright for being very scared. Holimsk for trying to sell me some SEO work. Want your own? Just leave a comment. I love reading and replying to them. Want to be a featured pilot? Leave a comment and submit some footage for review or interview. I'm off to nail Doris. Fence back together.